Hello viewers, today we are going to talk about the most important thing that we need while stepping out of the house, the shoe. We are going to talk about the Hirola's jogger and the various features that makes it stand apart from similar products available in the market. We will first talk about the design of the shoe. The most striking feature about it is the lightweight of the shoe. It is close to 250 grams for a UK size 7 that a person is using, which gives it efficiency and the ease to walk nicely in all kinds of surfaces. The shoe is ergonomically designed, and as you can see, the maximum bend that you are seeing here is at a level advised by various specialists across the globe. So if you are using a too flexible sole, which is going to give you a 360-degree movement, it is not good for your ankles, your muscles, and your overall body support. So this shoe is going to provide you that advisable level of support, and if you happen to walk on a surface which is giving you accidental movements, this is going to save the foot from all those movements. We will first talk about the outsole of the product. As you can see, we are using a rubber outsole here, which is a slip resistant material. It is the same material which is used in tires and which gives a firm friction and grip to the shoe. It also gives durability to the whole product. The product has a midline cushioning, which is a middle sole. This is an EVA material sole. There are two advantages of using an EVA sole in this product. First being the additional cushioning that it provides to the product, and second is the additional 1.5 centimeter height that is gained by the person wearing this shoe instantly. We are next going to talk about the insole of the product. This is another feature of the product which is giving it an advantage over other similar products. So this insole used here for the product is a memory foam insole. As you can see, the advantage of this is the material takes the original form even when worn for longer duration. It is a totally removable insocks. So between walks, if you want to just dry it up, you can take it up. And also for patients who have certain orthopedic challenges, they can just put it in or remove it from the shoe as per their convenience. We have an additional padding here. This is a waterproof material which is placed in the middle of the upper and the sole, and this is actually providing waterproof characteristic to this shoe. The additional and a very major advantage here is we have a counter being used in this product. Now this counter, it is giving an additional support to the shoe and to the heel. This is unlike other products which are just the overall material remains same, but this is providing an additional grip to the shoe, and this is being molded into the shoe to give it a better strength. Similarly, for the toe, to give it a robust shape, and we have this toe puff which is infused into this shoe using a fusion technology. So this increase the durability. If you just bang your toes against surface and you're walking on uneven surfaces, this is something which is going to ensure that your toe is always firm and it is always protecting the inner side of your toes. We next talk about here. This is the additional foam that we have placed inside the product, which is again giving it the cushioning that is required to support the ankle muscles and give the right traction to the product while walking on uneven and even surfaces. We have a tongue, which is again a foam, a 18 mm foam which is being used here. So this again is helping the ankle to support the product. As you can see, we have nice thick foam here to support the shoe, and this helps when you're wearing it for prolonged hours and walking on uneven surfaces. There are some additional guarantees and warranties provided by the product manufacturer. Apart from the lightweight and the ergonomic design, they are providing a guarantee of 10 lakhs fit or 3 months, whichever is earlier, against any kind of manufacturing defect. And these shoes comes with an extra pair of reflective laces. So you can see these reflective laces, when they have a direct sunlight or probably high density light falling on them, they illuminate and thus increase the visibility and safety of the product. This is an additional advantage. So here we have a product which is going to provide you multi-level comfort. It is also the manufacturer has taken special care and manufacturing it in a 100% nail-free environment. It is totally manufactured through automated machines, and the international standards are being adhered to while using materials such as the pasting material, which is 100% udder free, which is used in pasting all the various material of the shoe. Now this shoe is coming in two material. You have two upper material available. This is a leather suede along with a mesh. The mesh we are using here, it's a foam mesh. You can see this is additionally padded here to give you an extra padding and comfort, and it is a breathable fabric. So if you're wearing it for long hours, your shoes actually breathe and it is not soggy unlike other products which are totally inefficient and non-absorbing to any of the materials. Now these are the two variants available. This is a synthetic upper. Now this synthetic upper, as you see, it is being tested for 2.5 lakh pence and is very efficient, you can see, and it is slightly waterproof. And the other one that we have, which is high on style and comfort, is the suede material, which is used in conjunction with a mesh. So here you have a shoe which can be perfectly used for gym, running, casual walk, exercise, riding, workout, travel, outdoor and everyday work in. Thank you.